We're gonna show Brandon how we use this, okay?
Right.
Okay. First, this is like going to the beach, right? Like salty. So look, it is like this. Spray, right?
Yeah.
So you only do this one, another one. Now smell it. Smell it? You smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now one more.
Okay, see his face?
Yeah, and now?
Okay, look at his face.
Okay. That's it.
What?
That's it, okay?
You didn't.
You like it?
What?
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Feels better? Respira. Dile bye, Brandon.
Bye, Brandon.
Sí, con la mano. Bye.